What's up everybody and welcome to the Casual Vlogs. Just to let you guys know, the goal of setting up this channel was to upload one video every month as a little project of mine. This month was supposed to be the second part of my trip to Bali, but I ran into a bit of issues as some of the video files were rather large. I had to move them to an external hard disk, and long story short, the hard disk has died on me. So with that happening, in the background, I've got to decide whether to go through the hassle of recovering my data and footage or just trying to salvage the progress of the video with whatever that is left on my laptop. So this month's upload is of my recent trip to Melbourne, and it consists of footage that I took with my drone around the Southbank precinct and the Shrine of Remembrance. Now guys, if you've never been to Melbourne, I highly advise you to make it one of those things in your bucket list to visit at least once in your life. Do it during the spring or autumn seasons because winter may be a bit too wet and summer can be quite hot. And the reason why I'm happy to say this is because I spent 9 years in the city. It's consistently been in the top cities, best cities in the world. And Melbourne's really renowned for their quality and range of food, and for those of you who love coffee, this is definitely one of those places you must go, as it has many bars and cafes that specialize in making unique coffees. So enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and or leave me a comment at the end of the video. Also guys, no complaints, more than happy to have new subscribers on board, and until then, see you guys next month.